All right, welcome back, everyone. We are looking at VeChain today on a weekly time frame. It was a request from our group, and we have not looked at this before, so I'm going to start with our standard resistance and support lines. I'm just going to leave that there for the weekly, and then we can keep a track on this. And once again, it looks like it's coming into the sweet spot. And this is a good asset that as long as it can hold this 0.035 level, we should see some upside movement. The selling on a weekly is slowing down. It just needs to actually come to an end and then have a weekly candle start going to the top side. We do have the 21 losing the 100, so this is a bearish stance. So this selling can come here and lower if the support can't hold. It's very possible due to the fact that selling is high. But if we can find some support at this level at 0.05, we can basically start making a reprieve bounce, and we can test into this 0.06, 0.07 area for the first level of profit. We can start there and then continue back at the 0.08, and then all the way at 0.09, we can start taking profit on a weekly. I'm going to zoom in on a daily to have a better area understanding of what we're going through. We did just open on the outside and we broke back in. So this is good. This is showing that, hey, we can probably see some stopping and selling. We need the volume to slow down on the selling and then start showing some buying. The first level of resistance, as soon as the buying starts, I would say it's 0.058. But then you have to break this high first. So I guess I would say 0.0567 first and then the 0.058, depending on where the 21 EMA is at that time on a daily time frame. Today, as long as we can just hold this low, that'd be great because we already tested the low from yesterday and we did not close under it yet. And if we can hold it, then we can try to retest the top again tomorrow. Going to the 4 hour, we did just shoot off the 21 EMA. I guess that was a doji test. And look, we tested the bottom again. And we are getting our reprieve bounce right now. As long as the buying volume continues, we should see a test again into the 21. And then if we have a close above the 21, we can retry to take this high at the 0.053 and then go and attempt to break into this 55 EMA at 0.055 on a 4 hour time scale. So VeChain has some work ahead of it, but you can definitely take a long right now and have a very tight stop loss on under you and just wait calmly for this reprieve bounce. And if we do cut in lower, you can start DCAing in since we're near the bottom as it is, and just know to take your loss when you think now is the time. But we're pretty close to the bottom. I mean, if we lose this level here, we have another consolidation all the way to the 0.45, and then after that, we have the 0.4 basically. So under 4 cents, I would let go of this asset, but you have between 4 and 3.5 this other level of support to consolidate in. So now is not a bad area to be entering in a long because you're already done with the bleeding. We can take another leg down, but it's going to come into this consolidation. So just make sure you start your allocation lightly, and then you can slowly get in a bigger position as we go down. And if we go to the upside, you know to take your profit immediately at the 55, and then you can reload up as it tests the 21 again. So you're never really in a loss. You can continually compound your position as you're taking profit off and adding as it retraces lower again. So keep that in mind. That is VeChain on dollar standard on Binance. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Please press the bell notification for real-time updates as it comes out. If there's any assets you want me to cover, please just leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you guys ASAP. Aside from that, have a great day, guys. Be safe. Talk to you guys soon.